अब कायद-ए-आज़म का एक फरमान है कि मैं आपको मसरूफ़ अमल होने की ताकीद करता हूँ। काम, काम और बस काम। सुकून की खातिर सब्र व बर्दाश्त और इनकिसारी के साथ अपनी कौम की सच्ची खिदमत करते जाएं और हमें इस पर अमल करना चाहिए। तो अब जिस शख्सियत को मैं दावत देने जा रही हूँ, आप शिकागो कम्युनिटी के सीनियर मुअज़्ज़ज़ रुकन हैं। हम जहद शख्सियत के मालिक हैं। इंटरनेशनल लायंस क्लब का शुमार दुनिया के बेहतरीन थोड़ी तरतीब में गड़बड़ हो गई। तो जिन साहबों को मैं इजहार ख़याल के लिए दावत देने जा रही हूँ, आप बैनुल अक़वामी स्कॉलर हैं, फुल ब्राइट स्कॉलरशिप पर कई बार पाकिस्तान जा चुकी हैं, हबीब यूनिवर्सिटी कराची से मुतालिक हैं और इसके अलावा आपके जो मौज़ूआत हैं वो सूफ़ी इस्म है और आप लायोला यूनिवर्सिटी में भी पढ़ाती हैं और इस्लामियात की प्रोफेसर हैं और आपका एक और स्पेशलिटी जो है वो पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ है। तो मैं इजहार ख़याल की दावत देने जा रही हूँ मोहतरमा डॉक्टर मर्सिया हरमनसन को। तो तशरीफ़ लाइए और अपने ख़यालात का इजहार कीजिए।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings to you all on this auspicious occasion of a gathering to celebrate and honor the great leader and inspirer of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The Quiad's legacy can hardly be summarized in the few moments we have. So today I will simply share a few brief thoughts or vignettes regarding his example. While considering this presentation, I did a little research on some of the writings that we have about Jinnah and the Pakistan movement, and they suggested these points to reflect on. Akbar Ahmed, the Pakistani-American anthropologist and ex-diplomat, writing in the 1990s, represents a modernist intellectual's view on the Quiad and his legacy. Perhaps as a warning, Akbar Ahmed imagined the tragedy that could occur if the various disruptive currents of that time could destroy the nation of Pakistan, at least in its current form. How would history look back on the Quiad? Could we imagine the erasure of his memory, either deliberately or through neglect? No more commemorative sessions like this. No streets or institutions named in his honor. An absence that would cut to the heart of every Pakistani. A second point was made by the Pakistani-American scholar Aisha Jalal in her 1980s work, The Sole Spokesman. As a historian, she analyzed the complex negotiations that the Quiad needed to engage in as the partition became a reality. And while doing this, she was struck by the pervasive lack of appreciation of his moral integrity and measured decisions in advancing the cause of the Muslims of the subcontinent. Jalal writes, and I'm quoting, "Ironically and unfairly, the horrors which lie so close to the surface of India," and remember she's writing this in the 1980s, "the horrors that lie so close to the surface of India have been laid at the door of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This man of orderly constitutional advance. They have been blamed upon his Pakistan and upon irreconcilable differences between the Muslims and Hindus, which Jinnah's own career had consistently tried to bridge. In the light of these challenges and misgivings concerning the memory of the Quiad, becoming tarnished or even dismissed by later turns of events, we may ask, who are the standard bearers of the Quiad's legacy, who remain or who will rise today? Someone who was 20 years old on August 14th, 1947, would now almost be a centenarian. Who now is going to take up the Quiad standard? Let us preserve and celebrate his memory as living through multiple everyday acts of fidelity to the Quiad's vision. From the expatriate Pakistanis who contribute to and establish schools and hospitals in the homeland, to the ordinary citizens in Pakistan who in the midst of raging floods take over directing traffic when the signals fail in urban jams, or who rescue strangers at their own risk and rush to provide food and shelter to them, to the schoolgirls who are reading their lessons on cell phones whose batteries are fading during long load sheddings, and to those jawans and pilots who nobly stand on guard to bravely defend the homeland. These are those who follow in the Quiad's caravan. Millet ka pasban hai Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Millet hai jism, John hai Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Sad shukr pir hai gar mein safar apna karvan, और मेरे कारवान है मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना।